Liverpool's corner taken by Alexander-Arnold and in by Virgil van Dijk. It's as simple as that for Liverpool. Good header away by Williams. That's Salah and up and under, and Virgil van Dijk will be a nuisance to David De Gea. And Manchester United have made an almighty mess of it, and it's Firmino! Well, Manchester United are going to raise hell with the referee here, but this is going to need the help of VAR. Firmino, Oxlade-Chamberlain, Gini Wijnaldum, absolutely beautiful goal, stunning. Oh, it's not going to count, the flag's up. Manchester United are looking for something, and they have something round the corner.